So I'm standing in the coffee shop. I know the words, I practice them in my head, and when the man looks at me, I say nothing. I just point at the menu. Like this. Just a finger.
Oh, Sam, we have all done the finger. And by the end of today, you'll never need to point again. Hello and welcome to British English with Tess. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam. Hello.
Today we're talking about something every learner feels, being shy and how to speak English with confidence. It's level A2 to B1, nice and slow.
Because here's the truth. Most people don't have an English problem. They have a confidence problem. They know the words, they're just afraid to say them.
Exactly. So today we'll give you simple phrases and simple habits that make speaking feel easy, even when you're nervous.
And stay right to the end, because I'll tell you about the one little sentence that took my fear away. Forever. It's so small, but it changed everything.
It really did. Captions on. Say the phrases out loud with us. And remember, don't worry about mistakes.
We make them every day.
Lovely. Let's begin. Right, Sam. Let's go back to that coffee shop. You knew the words, so what stopped you?
Fear, honestly. I thought, what if I say it wrong? What if he laughs? What if I don't understand his answer? So I said nothing.
And that's the first big idea today, everyone. When you feel shy, your body wants you to be quiet. But quiet doesn't help you. Speaking helps you, even a little.
So how do we start, Tess? Because just be confident is not advice. Nobody can do that.
No, you can't. So we don't start with confidence. We start with one small action. My first tip, have a go.
Have a go. I love that one. Very British.
It is. Have a go means just try it. You don't need it perfect. You just need to try. I don't know if this is right, but I'll have a go.
And that takes the pressure off. You're not promising it will be perfect. You're just trying.
That's the whole secret. Say it with me, everyone. I'll have a go.
Okay, but Tess, here's my real fear. I have a go, and then they answer fast, and I don't understand, and I freeze again.
Ah, now this is the most important phrase in the whole episode. Are you ready, everyone? When someone speaks too fast, you simply say, "Could you say that again, please?"
That's it, that's allowed.
Of course it's allowed. British people ask each other this all the time. We don't always understand each other either. Sorry, could you say that again, please?
That's a game changer. Because before, when I didn't understand, I just smiled and nodded. And then I was completely lost.
The smile and nod. Everyone does it. But here's the thing. Nobody minds repeating. People are kind. They want to help you.
So instead of panicking, you just ask. Could you say that again, please? And maybe a little slower?
Even better. Could you say that again, please? A little slower. Polite, simple, and it works every time. Try it at home. Could you say that again, please?
Right, I'm feeling braver already. What's next?
Next is about your feelings. 2 words you need. Shy and nervous. I feel shy. I get nervous when I speak English. It's okay to say that out loud.
Wait, you tell people you're nervous? Doesn't that make it worse?
The opposite. When you say I'm a little nervous, 2 good things happen. 1, you feel lighter. It's not a secret anymore. And 2, the other person becomes kinder. They slow down for you.
Huh. So being honest is actually a confidence tool.
It really is. And it leads us to my favourite phrase of the whole day. Sam, this is the little sentence from the start, isn't it?
It is. So, picture me 6 months into living in London. Still shy, still pointing at menus. And one day, in a shop, the woman is talking very fast, and I'm panicking.
Go on.
And I just said it. I said, "Sorry, I'm still learning." And Tess, her whole face changed. She smiled. She slowed down. She helped me. And the fear just went.
I'm still learning. 3 words. Everyone, write these down. When you say, I'm still learning, you tell the world, I'm trying, please be patient. And people always, always are.
It's like magic. The pressure to be perfect just disappears. Because you're learning. Of course you make mistakes. Learners do.
And that's the truth, isn't it? You are still learning. You're learning right now, with us. So say it proudly, everyone. I'm still learning.
Old me would have given anything to know that sentence.
Well, now everyone listening knows it. Right, let's talk about mistakes, because this is where shy people get stuck.
Yes, I used to think one mistake meant I'd failed.
So many people feel that. But listen carefully. A mistake is not a problem. A mistake is practice. Every mistake teaches your mouth and your ears something new.
My first teacher told me something I never forgot. She said, "Sam, the people who speak best are just the people who made the most mistakes."
That's beautiful and so true. The confident speaker isn't the one who never gets it wrong. It's the one who kept going.
So how do we keep going when we feel shy? Give us something practical, Tess.
Happily. My next tip is 2 little words, little by little. You don't become confident in one day. You become confident little by little.
So what does little by little look like on a normal day?
Small things. Today, say good morning to one person. Tomorrow, order your own coffee. Out loud, no pointing.
No pointing.
No pointing! The day after, ask one question. Each day, one small brave thing. That's how confidence grows, little by little.
I like that because it's not scary. I don't have to give a speech. I just have to do one small thing.
Exactly. And here's a lovely habit for learning at home too. Talk to yourself.
Now people think I'm strange, Tess.
Let them. When you're alone, in the kitchen, in the shower, describe what you're doing. I'm making tea. I'm washing the cups. Your mouth gets strong and brave with nobody watching.
That's clever. It's practice with zero fear. Nobody to judge you.
None. And when the real moment comes, your mouth already knows the words. Now, we're halfway, everyone, and stay with me, because soon I'll slow every phrase right down so you can practice properly. But first, Sam, one more big fear. The silence.
Oh, the silence is the worst. There's a pause in the conversation and my brain just goes empty, white, nothing.
Everyone knows that feeling. So here's the fix. You're allowed to take your time. You can say, let me think. That's it. Let me think.
So silence isn't a failure. It's just thinking.
Thinking is good. Even British people say, let me think, or, how do I say this? A small pause is completely normal. It is not a mistake.
That helps so much because I always thought the silence meant I'd failed.
It never does. Take a breath. Let me think. Then carry on. Right, let's bring it all together. Sam, the old you, in the coffee shop, what did you do?
I pointed, said nothing, felt terrible all day.
And the new you, same coffee shop, show everyone.
Right. Hello, could I have a coffee, please? Sorry, could you say that again? Lovely, thank you. And I'm still learning, so please be patient with me.
Perfect. Did you hear that, everyone? He had a go. He asked them to repeat. He said, I'm still learning. No pointing, just a brave, kind, confident speaker.
And the funny thing is, it's easy. The words are easy. It was only ever the fear that was hard.
That's the whole episode in one sentence, Sam. It was never your English. It was the fear. And today we made the fear smaller. Right, stay with me, everyone. Let's lock these phrases into your memory. Here are 8 confidence phrases from today. Say each one with me. Number 1, shy. It means you feel nervous or quiet around other people. I feel shy when I speak English. It's a normal feeling, and it's okay to have it. Number 2, nervous. A little scared or worried. I get nervous before I speak. And remember, you can tell people, I'm a little nervous. It makes the moment easier. Number 3, confident. This is the goal. A confident person feels sure and calm. I want to feel more confident in English. And you will, little by little. Number 4, have a go. A lovely British phrase. It means just try. I'll have a go. You don't need it perfect. You just need to try. Say it with me. I'll have a go. Number 5. Could you say that again, please? The most useful phrase of the day. When someone speaks too fast, you simply ask them to repeat. Sorry, could you say that again, please? Nobody minds. We all ask this. Number 6. And do you remember Sam's little sentence, the one that took his fear away? That's right. I'm still learning. 3 small words that tell the world, please be patient with me. And people always are. I'm still learning. Number 7, little by little. It means slowly, step by step. You don't get confident in one day. Little by little, I'm getting better. One small brave thing each day. And number 8, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get. Every conversation, every mistake, every have a go, it all counts. Say it with me. Practice makes perfect. Wonderful. You already have the words. Now you have the courage too. Lovely work. Now let's practice slowly. I'll say each phrase, you repeat in the gap, and I'll say it once more. Copy my rhythm. Ready? I feel a little shy. I feel a little shy. I get nervous sometimes. I get nervous sometimes. I'll have a go. I'll have a go. Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please? I'm still learning. I'm still learning. Little by little. Little by little. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Beautiful. Say them again tonight. Out loud, a little louder each time. Your confidence grows every time your mouth says the words. And that's it for today. You now have the phrases and the habits to speak English with more confidence. Have a go, ask people to repeat, say I'm still learning, and grow little by little.
And practice tonight, even alone in your kitchen. Describe your day out loud. It counts. I do it. No pointing.
No pointing. If this helped you, please subscribe and turn the captions on. It really does help us grow.
And join us next time, because we're going to the doctors. How to explain how you feel in English when you're not well. Really useful and not as scary as it sounds.
Such a good one. Thank you for listening. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam.
Bye for now.
Bye.